Assalamu alaikum everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today let's make this yummy chicken boti skewers. For this I'm using two marinades here. One is Hara Masala, that is green marinade, and Lal Masala, that is red marinade. For Hara Masala we need 3 to 4 green chilies, half a cup coriander, half a cup mint leaves, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, 1.5 tablespoon lemon juice, half a inch ginger, Dahi 3 tablespoon, Garam Masala half a teaspoon, salt as per your taste or half a teaspoon, and mustard oil 1 tablespoon. And now for the Lal Masala chicken boti we need 3 tablespoon dahi, half a teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon paprika, half a teaspoon black pepper crushed, 1.5 tablespoon lime juice, 1 tablespoon mustard oil, and half a cup freshly chopped coriander. But before we get started, don't forget to punch the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. So let's get started. The chicken what I am using here should be boneless and skinless and cut into small pieces or cubes. I'm using bamboo skewers here. I'm going to soak them in water for 30 minutes. This prevents fire. First we are going to blend our green chilies, coriander, ginger, garlic and mint leaves in a blender. This is for the Hara Masala chicken boti. Blend all these ingredients into fine paste. Add salt about 1 teaspoon or as per your taste. I'm using pink rock salt here. Add lime juice about 1.5 tablespoon or as per your taste. Now in a separate bowl add 3 tablespoons of strained dahi, half a teaspoon garam masala powder. Now add the blended mix. Mix all the ingredients well. Now add the chicken. I'm using chicken thighs here, that is boneless and skinless, and cut into small pieces. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and mix it well. Cover it and refrigerate for at least 20 minutes. Now let's make Lal Masala chicken boti. For that, in a bowl take 3 tablespoons of strained dahi. Add half a teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon salt or as per your taste, half a teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon paprika, half a teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1.5 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 tablespoon mustard oil, and add freshly chopped coriander about half a cup and mix all the ingredients well. Now add chicken which are cut into small pieces. Mix everything very well. Cover and refrigerate for at least 20 minutes. Now start preparing your skewers by poking it through the center of the chicken. I'm adding 4 pieces in each stick. Here our chicken skewers are ready to be barbecued. This is my mini portable grill which works on propane, which is easy and quick to use, suitable for picnics and camping. I'm going to preheat this to 350 degrees. Cook them for at least 15 to 20 minutes on low heat. Our chicken boti skewers are now ready. It looks so yummy and good. So if you guys liked my recipe, please try it and let me know in the comment box below. And don't forget to like my video and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. See you next time with yet another delicious recipe. Till then, take good care of yourself and stay safe.